I am Gianluca Fronda, a musician with more than 25 years of experience teaching music, teaching piano and composition, and also playing. I am a concert pianist with experience playing in public venues, in restaurants, pubs, hotels, in many places in Europe, in America and in the UK. At the moment I am teaching piano and composition for any level, from beginner to advanced. And saying advanced, I mean also for levels above grade 8. I also teach theory and composition. I teach piano and composition following any style, from classical to pop, rock, jazz, contemporary music. This is possible thanks to my composing skills and to my experience of performer. I am a pianist of classical formation, but I have been playing any style. I've been studying music for as long as I can remember. I started discovering when I was 9 years old, like many music teachers, like many piano and composition teachers. Why should you choose my channel? I've discovered that 9 channels out of 10 are simply showing the pieces that you have to study, obviously, at the final speed, at slow speed. On my channel you will get the pieces played at the final speed and also at slow speed, along with a very clear and detailed explanation. I will share with you all the elements that are needed to develop a proper musical journey and a fantastic piano practice experience. You will get from technical advices to real and proper piano technique exercises. You will get secrets mastered after many years of experience composing and playing, to wise advices coming from my many years of experience studying music. So, don't forget to subscribe, to share my channel with your friends if there is anybody interested in piano music, and see you on your first music lesson.